Brianna with California Wilds, and this is Dani. She just purchased our Tropicali package, and here it is. We're gonna get ready to install it in the backyard. Paradise right here, and then Dani, I just wanted to ask you real quick what you liked about buying the pre-planned garden.
Well, it made it super easy for me because I'm a plant beginner and I just didn't know what I should get or what I could use or how to fill in, and it just made it super easy and super structured for me to just be able to get my list and the design and be able to just put it where it needed to go.
Awesome.